The LG V20 user here. And today I'm going to be showing you guys Android Oreo on the LG V20 on Verizon. So I got my update yesterday from Verizon, so I'm so excited to have Oreo on my phone. This is the second time I've done this video because I just realized that when I recorded this video the first time I didn't have no audio, so this one should have audio with it. So yeah, so like I said, I got Oreo yesterday, guys. Verizon has finally updated its software page for the V20 to reflect that. The software version is VS99520A. So once you guys update the V20, the Oreo, the dials will be graded to the screen here, and the dials will notice that the icons are different now. So that's cool. The dials will notice that you can have them in different shapes and stuff like that. So to show you guys that I'm on Android Oreo, let's go to settings, go to about phone, let's go to software info. So I'm on Android 8.0.0 Oreo, August 1st, 2018 security patch, and like I said, the software version is VS99520A. Y'all double click on the Easter egg thing, this will show up. Press and hold the octopus will show up here. See? The octopus there. That's pretty neat. So I am on Oreo. If you guys press and hold down the home button, you guys will get Google Assistant. But when you guys do that, you guys will get lines and stuff like that. See the lines down there? So you guys will get lines every time you guys press and hold the home button to get the Google Assistant. Your recent apps thing is different. You guys have a clear all section now, so you hit clear all, and then clear all your apps at once. So that's a win. You guys got your folders here. If you press and hold down on an app like YouTube here, you guys will be able to get to trending, your subscription feed, or search on YouTube. And you guys will also have app info as well. Some apps will have that feature. The phone app will let you create new contact and stuff like that. If you get to the Play Store, it will show you my apps for the Play Store. You click on something else. Let's say like Firefox. It will show you guys app info for Firefox there. Sorry about that, my computer went off, but yeah. So every app will not have a thing that have shortcuts. So some apps will have, some apps won't. This is what the phone looks like. It's a bit different. So it's like a more bolder text in my opinion. You know, pretty much self-explanatory there. Let's go to settings again. I'm showing you guys settings. The settings have been changed and it's been, you know, simplified and stuff like that. So you guys will have settings for your airplane mode and stuff like that, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, data usage, and all that. You scroll into connect devices. You guys got all this stuff here. And you guys will have the notifications up here, search, or you guys have it in the list view. If you scroll down, you guys will see something that says looking for something else, and it will suggest things for you if you guys are looking for something else in that particular section. So that's pretty cool. Go to sounds here. You have your sounds here. Do not disturb there. That's what the quad X symbol looks like now on the V20. You have your vibrations. Your sound effects is new. We didn't have this in Nougat. So you guys have sound effects on the keyboards and touch sounds and all that stuff, you know. So there's your sounds there. Your display is you have your home, so you can select your home in the app drawer or easy home. So pretty much self-explanatory. It's pretty much the same thing as it was in Nougat. The wallpapers are the same like you would get them out of the box. Screen swap effect is, you know, pretty much the same. So nothing has changed here, pretty much the same thing as it was on Nougat. Your themes are the same, so you don't have any new themes or nothing like that. Icon shapes is new. You guys have the option to choose 4 icon shapes: original, rounded square, round, or cylinder. I do like cylinder. I like that a lot. So you guys can also have left home screen. Y'all can have app flash or smart bulletin. I suggest you guys have that off because app flash is stupid. You have sort apps, hide apps, loop home screen, or get help. So that's nice. Font is right here. Y'all guys get a preview of the font. Y'all guys change the font size. Y'all guys carry one and off bold text. Y'all guys have 6 different fonts to choose from now. You guys have these here. That's the default theme, the LG Smart. The friend font is the new one that we got. I think it's new. I've never seen it before. You got travel and yo is my favorite. You guys have home touch buttons here. You guys have button combination. It's pretty much the same thing as it was on Nougat. So yeah. Background color, black or white. You know, pretty much self-explanatory there. Hide home touch buttons. This is new. So whatever app you're in, you can have the ability to make the app full screen, no matter what app you're in. So you guys can show and hide icon. It'll be a little dot on the bottom left corner. Second screen is, you know, basic. You know, it's nothing really. You know, it's pretty much the same thing as it was in Nougat. Display size, you guys can adjust the display size if you want, big or small. Comfort view has gotten a big upgrade. You guys can adjust the blue light filter. I currently have it on. I currently have comfort view on. So if my screen looks yellow, that is why. So you guys can adjust the blue light filter, black and white. So basically, turn your shit black and white. So there is all black and white now. So that's pretty trippy there. Cut that back to color. Use comfort view. You guys can cut that on and off. See right there, it's like a yellowish thing there, and you guys can schedule comfort view if you guys want. So comfort view has got an update. Your brightness there, auto and all that, auto rotate screen. You have screen timeout, screen saver, menu view, and all that stuff. That's display. Your general settings here. You have lock screen and security. You guys have Google Play Protect, find your device, security update is August 1st. I got that yesterday with the Oreo update. It will have Play Protect in here as well, so it will protect your app, so that's a win. You have lock screen, so you have select screen like I have pen and fingerprints, customized lock screen. You guys can have customized wallpaper, clock. It's pretty much the same thing as it was. The screen shape particle is pretty much the same thing. You can put weather animation and you can put contact information on the bottom of the lock screen, just in case you lose your phone or whatever. You have secure lock setting, fingerprint, contact lock, location. You have advanced like encryption and credential setup, sim lock, make password visible, and all this standard stuff on Android, so nothing really special there. So the big one here is the security status. That's new. Apps and notifications. You guys have app info, notification, default apps, app permissions, and special access and stuff like that. Battery is you know, your battery. You have battery usage. You'll have battery percentage, status bar, battery savers, and all that. And you guys will have your app usage at the bottom there, show you guys how much an app has been using. So Overdrive, I've used it 38 minutes, and it's used 8% of my battery there. You have storage, accounts, accessibility, Google. You have smart cleaning. pretty much as it was in Nougat, pretty much the same thing. So nothing has really changed that. Gaming is a new one. You have a couple options here. You have game tools. Get more out of gaming by tapping the game tools icon in the game. You click on that, and once you guys are in the game, you guys will have this little button on the bottom left in the game, and you guys can do different things like adjust graphics and resolution and take screenshots and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Y'all guys have game graphics. So I have 3 games here. I have Family Feud 2, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, and Madden Overdrive as my games. I have Fortnite on here as well, and also Asphalt 9. I'm not sure why they're not showing up here, but y'all guys can adjust the resolution and frame rates of these games right here, and you guys can reset all settings if you guys need to. Break time is basically it will reduce brightness and performance whenever you leave the game running for more than 5 minutes. So had that one. So it will help you save battery. Shortcut keys, pretty much the same thing. Knock on system updates, language and input. So if you go to language and input, you guys will see a new feature called autofill service. So this other stuff up here, that's pretty much all your standard stuff like the language and default, the keyboards and stuff like that. If you click on autofill service, you can have none, which I don't know why you wouldn't. I suggest you guys use autofill service because it will save you a lot of time. Y'all guys have Google by default, and you guys can add services if you guys want. I use LastPass, and LastPass is awesome. I love LastPass a lot. So Google is your default autofill service. Google is selected by default, but you can add other ones if you want to use other ones if you want. So that is the new thing in language and input. Date and time memory backup. So you can back up your stuff here. So if you hit backup, it will actually use LG mobile switch. That is new, and you have LG backup as well right underneath of that. You have Google backup, which I don't recommend that you guys use Google backup because that sucks. I've used it and I don't like it at all. LG backup is better in my opinion. You have about phone, of course. So yeah. So you go back to an app here and you press and hold on YouTube. Like I said, you guys will be able to have access to different areas of the app. Like YouTube will have trending, subscriptions, and search. If you click on subscriptions here, it'll take you to your subscription feed. I'm gonna show you guys picture here in just a second. If you guys want to make an app full screen, hit the button on the bottom left and it'll make it full screen. If you guys want the buttons back to swipe up, and your button will be back. So let's go ahead and play a video of mine. Let's go ahead and go to my channel here and let's play a video. Let's play TubeBuddy Mobile. I did a review on this several months back, so check out the video if you guys have not. So it's playing in the background. I mean, it's playing right now. So if you hit him, sorry about that. I didn't mean to play that dude's video. Sorry about that. But I will play my video again. Sorry about that. So you click on the video, just hit home, and see the video is playing right there. You guys can click on it. You guys have the option to like headphones, pause video, and fast forward the video. If you guys click on it and hit this, it'll take it back to YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So background, so picture in picture is there. If you guys want to go to picture in picture, I will show you guys that real quick. If you guys want to get picture in picture, go to your channel icon, go to settings, go to general, and go to picture in picture right there underneath general, and it'll be right there. Um, so yeah, and you guys also can search for settings as well. So let's search for data. So if you guys search for data, or search anything that has data in it, so you gotta search for different settings and stuff like that, obviously. If you guys have a notification, you guys will see a badge right there on the notification. I have a look right here and look at. If you guys press and hold, you guys will see a notification right there in app info. So that's there as well. So if you guys go to the lock screen here, I'm gonna try to go to the lock screen here. So here is my lock screen, and you guys will see that the icons on that lock screen has changed as well. So if you guys swipe up, the numbers have changed as well, so you can put in your pin there. So the lock screen looks a bit different. I think the time looks a bit different as well. I think that they like the clock looks a bit smaller in my opinion, but that's just me. I'm guessing that's pretty much it. If I missed anything, please let me know. If I did miss anything, I try to cover everything in this video. Hopefully that this video will sound better, because I did not record audio in the first one. I did not realize that until I was playing. I was like, I can't hear nothing. So I was like, fuck. So this video should have audio now. So yeah, hopefully that this video is better. So if I miss anything, please let me know. If you guys have an audio update on your V20 on Verizon, let me know what you guys experience are with that. So that is pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.